If you're trying to access your Namecheap email, also known as private email, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to log into your Namecheap email account in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy process. Whether you're checking messages from your computer, signing in for the first time, or just need a refresher on where to go, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to privateemail.com. This is the official login page for Namecheap private email, so make sure you type it correctly in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the login form right away. Now, in the first field, enter your full email address. Be sure to type the entire address exactly as it was created, including the domain name after the @ symbol. After that, move to the password field and enter your email password. Make sure your caps lock is off and that you type everything correctly since email passwords are case sensitive. After double checking your details, click the login button. The site will verify your credentials, and if everything is correct, your private email inbox will open. From there, you can read messages, send new emails, and manage your inbox just like normal. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Namecheap email account. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.